In this video, we'll show you how to backup Samsung Notes on your phone to the cloud. So to do this, first tap on this menu icon in the top left corner and then tap on this gear icon. Now here in the Samsung Notes settings, you have a couple of options. So the first one is to sync with Samsung Cloud. So simply tap on it, enable this option and then tap on sync now. So what this will do is backup all of your notes to your Samsung account. You can then use the same Samsung account on another Galaxy phone, tablet or a PC and then restore all your notes there. However, if you want to view your Samsung notes on a non-Galaxy device such as a different Android phone or an iPhone, what you can do is tap on this sync to Microsoft OneNote option. Now here tap on get started. Now here you will need to sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you are signed in, simply use the toggles to back up the folders that you want and then tap on done. Now tap on sync to Microsoft OneNote and then tap on sync now option. So what this will do is back up all your Samsung notes to Microsoft OneNote. Now what you can do is go to your Android phone or iPhone or the PC where you want to access your Samsung notes. Download the OneNote app on that device and then sign in with the same Microsoft account that you used to back up your data. Once you are inside the OneNote app, tap on your profile icon and you will see this Samsung Notes option. Simply tap on it and you will see all your Samsung notes here. So these are the two ways you can backup and restore your Samsung notes. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.